Hey guys, today we're going to JDM Fest at Icar Mirabel, but first we gotta clean the Porsche, so let's do it. Alright guys, we're on the road to the JDM Fest. All right, we're there. Let's see what we have here.
All right, guys, we made it here to the JDM. That was about, I would say, 45 minutes to an hour wait in the car just to get in. It's crazy. It's crowded. Look at all the cars behind there. All the cars right there. It's full and full of nice car here. Here's a little Mazda RX-7. 240 SX. Very nice. All right, guys, there's something very special here. Look at this. GTR and GTR.
Kinda hard to describe. I'm in between, I'm good and it's fine, but I'm tired of the grind. Then I come alive in the night to realize I'm in the middle of the time of my life. I'm never so packed for the stack, never lied on the rap. Got a bag from the way that I write it. Queen looking Tyson, through that I survived, doing 80 to the house. Then I hit her to the sky, changed haters on a tirade. Talking to their grip in the face, be still, let that hate stuff fade. We all want the same, we all want a meal in the safe. I wanna live like I'm trying to reach enlightenment. Trail spill from my lips, feel big from the bib. Take a sip till I pass out. Try and get grit, but it don't make sense. Cause you can lose life on this fast route. Yeah, turn thoughts to a cash cow. I might flip that to the glass house. I don't need the accolades, I'm in love with the chase. I just wanna eat, save a spot at the table. Beast with the slap, pin myself on the map. You long with the wind, but we knowing that it's cap. 5-hour flights, couple nights at the flat. To be real, couldn't see me making moves while I'm at. I'm still on the grind, limit time when I chat. I'm burning down sage, keep the demons away. When I write it, give a piece of myself to the page. I don't do it for the praise, love, that's just how I'm made.
Truth in the glass in the
mirror. Yeah, do it at me, old man, tryna pass in the fear. Yeah, the first one to talk, but the last one to hear. Eyes blurry, but I couldn't see that, then he cleared down. Start to feel like I'm on one. Settle in, I'll be here for the long run. I'm a slave for the cash, got snakes in the grass, no brakes on the ad, but it's all fun. We done seen it all, heard enough, give me space before I murder y'all. 10 bad here, I'ma curve them all. 12 missed calls, and I still made a curtain call. Here to light it up, lighten up. Hear him talking, they ain't right enough, tighten up. Everything that I came for, I left with. I don't bang sets, I just bang on the set list. Going past supper when I came for the breakfast. Put me in your prayers, I might put you on the guest list. Young, tell me reckless, gold in my soul, got the same on my necklace. Light it up, light it up.
That's a special one here.
I shouldn't be standing with a heart that's so heavy. I shouldn't be up with all the weight that I carry. Don't know if it's right, but I'm sticking with you. You're my only vice, I'm dependent on you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate. Every time you leave me to my fate. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Better for my soul, yeah, better for my soul. Find somebody better, better for my soul. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Dreaming about the good days when you put me first, baby. When you used to call me just to say that you miss me. Don't know how we got here, but I blame you. And I blame myself just for sticking with you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate. Every time you leave me to my fate.
All right, look at this 240 SX. So nice and clean. Looks like it's all original. Except the wheels, they're nice. Interior is mint.
Find down with the Merlot. You know I'm on the line with the sun low. You already know the vibes when I pull up on you. Been looking at the sign like a horoscope. You say you wanna leave, but I know you don't. Talking about you wanna freeze, what we got going on. But I'm seeing through the screen what's really going on. I know how you feel, I just need you to wait on me. I wanna do less of this latency. I wanna do less of that wait and see. When I get back to the city, I hate to leave. I know it's stuck being away from me. Till I put it down for that synergy. Swear that your body the remedy. You won't find nobody.
Drift cars.
Everybody swear they solid till you put that heat on nice. We was taught to shine, now we looking like the city lights. Heard that boy was switching up, tell him he gon' need advice. If you still around, you still by me, yeah, you did me right. And I told him that's a strong bet. Whole team winning, yeah, we all set. And we ain't really in it at if you ain't on that. Once you give me the same love, I give it all back. It be the ones you don't expect to have it out for you. Even when I was down bad, I was down for you. Even if I ain't have it, bro, you had it too. I don't be feeling like that vibe is compatible. Okay, make no mistakes, now them boys don't mess around. Yeah, I'm flawless, I'm great, you should come and check me out. I'ma do what it take, long as they don't take me out. Couple rules finna break, till things straighten out. Yeah, this is brand new, gear up on me, she up on me, man. Watch your mans too, separate your homie from your fan. Keep your hand due, for they steal a rock from your hand. Keep some dance moves, if they tryna stick me for some dice. Everybody swear they solid till you put that heat on nice. We was taught to shine, now we looking like the city lights. Heard that boy was switching up, tell him he gon' need it fast. If you still around, you still by me. Take risks, go wait it out. Yeah, they know that we great, so they all gon' hate us now. If it ain't to my face, tell them niggas watch they mouth word. Everybody swear they solid till you put that heat on nice. We was taught to shine, now we looking like the city lights. Heard that boy was switching up, tell him he gon' need advice. If you still around, you still by me, yeah, you did me right. And I told him that's a strong bet. Whole team winning, yeah, we all set. And we ain't really in that if you ain't on that.
Alright guys, that's pretty much it for today. We've walked so much. There was a lot of cars. Sun was there. It was hot. And we're done for today. So, thanks for watching.
Make sure to share and like the video. Click the bell and subscribe. We'll see you soon.